Hi, in today's video we have a ODT file, and what we are talking today, we want to keep this project not as a ODT file but as a PDF file, but as a special one. So let's export it. So let's uncheck that. By default this is the window we open, but we want to check hybrid PDF embedded ODF file. You can see here we have a tooltip saying that we can create PDF that is easily editable in LibreOffice. Let's see that thing. So let's export on desktop with the same name, my project. And now let's close this ODT file and let's open the, you can see here I have both of the document, but let's open the PDF. It's a normal PDF, but if we open LibreOffice, let's open not my project ODF but my PDF file. So let's open that one. Okay, you can edit. You can see the name is my project PDF, but we can write something or we can edit, do whatever we want, and when we save we have to give it a name. So let's rename it my project 1. So we have this new project here. This is a modified project. I can open it like before with LibreOffice, or like before I can open, instead of sending two files on email, we can send just the PDF. This is the idea. So I can export this one, is the latest version, so I can export again as hybrid PDF. I can save it and I can send this to someone to email. So that person will see the document because it's a PDF, but also if it has LibreOffice, can open not the ODT like now, but also the PDF we have, because it has embedded a document. So we can edit the ODT file, but also we can edit the PDF file.